With a virtual Keypad admin account, you can manage multiple systems at once. Streamline user code management, adjust schedules, and group systems together all from one screen. To access admin privileges, head over to virtualkeypad.com in a browser and select the Admin tab up at the top. This can be done from a phone or a computer. The arming page shows every system and their arming status. Use the search bar to search for a specific system. Select each system to access a more detailed status. The Events page shows activity over all systems. Use the scrolling bar to search for a specific day, or use the search bar to filter out certain events. The Users page offers a robust view of every user, the systems attached, the permissions for this user, and login information. Use the search bar to find a specific user, user code, or even a login. If you have the same user listed in multiple systems, combine the duplicate users by tapping Select and choosing the duplicate users. Then select Combine. Edit any information necessary, then tap Save. Now, there's only one user to change over every system. One user code change here is applied to every system where the user is located. The Profiles page shows profiles that can be applied to every system. To add a profile, tap the Add icon. Add the profile to each system selected. Define the permissions of the profile. Hover over the eye icon to learn more about each permission. If the profile already exists in one system, upgrade to every system by selecting Link Existing Profiles. Once all permissions are defined, tap Save. Now you can edit this profile once, and the change will go to all systems selected. The Schedules page shows the schedules applied for each system. You can edit one schedule and apply to all systems. Choose a system, then tap the Add icon. Name the schedule. Define the time parameters and the areas to apply the schedule. On the left, apply the schedule to multiple systems. When finished, tap Push to Systems to send this new schedule to all selected systems. The Reports page filters and exports events from systems. Tap Add to create a report. Name the report. Define the data featured in this report, including category, event, and the time span. Tap Run to generate this report instantly. To automate this report, tap Schedule. Define how often the report will be generated and the recipients of the report. Tap Save. Quick reports are common reports instantly generated. Adjust the report data and search for specific events at the top. The System Groups page allows you to create categories and group different systems together. This is a quick way to apply different user codes and profiles to a group of similar systems. If you have any questions on Virtual Keypad, access the Help file located on the side menu under Help. Or tap our logo at the top of the menu to contact us directly.